Hello students, your history book chapter 3 and chapter name is An Empire Across Three Continents. Okay, it was this chapter, it was the ancient Roman Empire which was spread across the three continents, namely Europe. This chapter start will be from I told you the Roman Empire covered a vast stage of territory that included most of Europe as we know is today and a large part of the fertile and North Africa. In this chapter we shall look at the way the empire was organized, the political forces that shaped its dignity, and the social group into which people were divided. You will see that the empire embraced a wealth of local cultures and language. That women had a stronger legal position and legal position and that they are do in many countries today, but also that match on the economy was a run of self labor. So from the 5th century on, the empire fell prosperous in its eastern half. We'll read about the built on the prosperity and inherited its urban and religions integrated. So look at this. I write here sources. So first of all, Roman historians have a rich collection of sources to gone on, which we have broadly divided into three groups. Okay. Number A, text. Number 2, document, and number 3, material remains. Okay. First of all, is textual sources included historicals of the period written by contemporaries. These were usually called annals. You look at these annals, and next is document. Documentary sources include mainly inspection and papyri. Inspection were usually cut on stone, so a large number survive in both Greek and Latin. The papyrus was read like a plant that grew along the banks of Nile and Egypt and was processed to produce writing next is writing material that was very widely in everyday life. So next is material remains. Material remains include a very wide instrument of items that mainly astrologers discovered. The example these are maintained a building, monuments, poetry, coins, etc. Okay, next is the two most powerful empires. You look at this, that time the two powerful empires ruled over most of Europe, North Africa and the Middle East in the period between the birth of Christ and the early part of the 7th century. Say down at the to the 630 CE were Rome and Iran, and that time the Romans and Iranians were neighbors separated by narrow strip of land that ran along the river Euphrates. They were rivals and fought against each other for much of their history. I look at this. There are two part of the two most powerful. One is Roman Empire and two is Iranian Empire. There are two neighbors and country. Okay, the Roman Empire started from the Spain in Europe to Syria in the east along the Mediterranean Sea into African desert. In the north, its boundaries were marked by the river Rhine and Danube. In the south by Sahara Desert. Okay. Iranian Empire. Iran controlled the entire area south of Caspian Sea to eastern Arabia and the time large part of the Afghanistan. Your NCERT book page number 59. You look at this map Europe and North Africa. So you understand this chapter.